And now that I remember
Your name
things,
is
Wookiee.
Chewbacca.
Holy shit, sickles!
Does anyone even know?
Oh, I'm sorry, say that again. Welcome back! We got some more Clone Wars for you today. Season 3, Episode 22, the final episode of Season 3, Wookiee Hunt. Now, in the last episode, Ahsoka was kidnapped by a bunch of Trandoshan hunters. I hope I'm saying that right. And basically, she has been put onto an island with a bunch of other Jedi Younglings, and the purpose of them being there is for these Trandoshans to come down and hunt them for sport. It is brutal. We've already lost one. I mean, it has been a wild ride in the last episode. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. It'll be up there in one of the corners. Anyways, guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the support in the Clone Wars videos. I appreciate you, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Bam, bada, bam, bam. A great student is what the teacher hopes to be. Ooh, that is so true.
Is missing in
The
action.
greatest reflection of a teacher is their student. Oh! Great student represents a great
As
teacher.
Anakin Skywalker scours the galaxy, desperate to find his lost apprentice, Trandoshan sport hunters track their youngling prey. We find Ahsoka on the run as the hunters close in around her.
Is she still on the run? Eesh. Woo! Ahsoka pulling out all the stops here. Yeah!
She can't hide forever.
She's literally right in front of you.
Words, I'll have her hide and nail it to the wall for killing my son.
Bro, she is right there. Yo! Woo! Deepers. Oh my word. Oh my word, that was close.
You made it. We feared the worst. Where's Khalifa?
Ah, Khalifa,
She
that's her
didn't
name.
make it.
She's dead. I can't believe it.
You've said that every few days they release new prisoners on the beach. I say we attack that dropship head on. They'll never expect it.
Yeah, but can you hold your own against that many of them?
Is it worth a shot?
Look at how you struggled against one.
Maybe it is.
Now!
Whoa!
What the? It's one of those blasted Jedi robes. Get her!
Yeah, you're about to get tossed off that ship.
I'll take the pilot.
What I'm saying is, it's 2-on-1 and they're struggling. Oh! I don't think they can do this alone. They need an army. Oh! This isn't gonna be easy. I get fear. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Woo! Oh! Yes, shotguns. Okay. Not bad. We took the entire dropship. Kick him in the face. Nice.
Get out of there! Come on!
But the prisoners, they'll die.
Hit the release! Hurry!
Ah, very nice. Okay, we made it. We made it. Okay. We got prisoners released, so this could work out in our favor. No, what I love is just the attention to detail.
That ship.
And it's not a very big detail, but I feel it's important that they've made them look dirty and torn up, you know? Right? Just that attention to detail. Like, if she looked perfectly clean after all of this, it would look... it just wouldn't be right.
It could be one of the prisoners they were dropping off.
What is that?
It's a Wookiee! Yeah, it's a Wookiee!
Wookiee.
Yeah! That's awesome! It's a Wookiee! How cool is that? Oh, bro, I love Wookiees. It's a little chewy. I feel like Wookiees are strong, hey? And now that I remember
Your name
things,
is
Wookiees...
Chewbacca.
Holy shitsicles!
Does anyone even know you?
Oh, I'm sorry, say that again. Your name is Chewbacca. That's Chewie. No fucking ways. Holy shit. Chewie knew Ahsoka. What? Chewie knew Ahsoka. That's Chewie. Holy shit. That's Chewie. Ah, I'm done, bro. I'm done. This is amazing. I didn't even expect him to be in Clone Wars at
Chewbacca
all.
says he can build a transmitter from the
Chewbacca
wreckage
says-
on the beach.
Well,
I
we can't just sit.
Chewie.
Fine. We'll do it
Chewie's
the
strong,
Wookiee
hey?
way.
I gotta be honest, now that I remember things, Wookiees are strong. Like, they can rip the arms off of a human. I think they said that in, like, episode 4 or 5. So, Chewie could be strong enough to fight those guys one-on-one. This is a big ally.
Time to join the Force, Jedi.
Woo! Come on. Where's Ahsoka and Chewie when you need them? Oy. Oh! Let's go, Chewie! Let's see the strength of Chewbacca. Oh!
Wait, we should take him prisoner.
Fine. Chewbacca, let's take him.
Yes, this dude, Chewie beat the shit out of him. All of us were struggling in fights against these guys, and Chewie's just like, hold up, wait a damn minute, I'm about to kick your ass.
How's it looking, Chewbacca?
Chewie! Ah! And he's made a beacon? What?
Well, something's working.
No!
It's clear enough that we cannot rely on that device.
Give
No
Chewbacca a
offense,
second, he
but
repairs
we just
Millennium
can't
Falcon.
sit here any longer.
We should wait.
I agree with Jinx.
We can use the prisoner to trick the enemy into flying one of their pods down to us. Then we hijack the pod, fly up to their base, and take them by surprise.
Ahsoka,
It's not a bad
you
plan.
got us to believe in ourselves again. And, well, I believe Jinx's plan will work.
I'm not helping you, whelp.
Fine,
Chewbacca,
Chewie will rip your
We
arms
need
off.
him at eye level, please.
You will listen to me.
Oh shit.
No, I won't.
Chewie's like, bitch, what did you say?
You will listen to me.
I will listen to you.
Oh, be careful. Oh, here we go. Chewie's about to mess shit up. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Wookiee power. Yeah. And the radio's working. Hell yeah. Surprise. I would have shot them with the gun, but anyways. Oh shit. Look at the power of Chewie, dude. Chewie is so stupidly strong. Who needs a lightsaber, right? Come on, use the gun. Yeah, use the gun. Make him dance for you. Oh, jeepers. Oh no. No. Shit. What's that? Hey, we got Wookiees!
It's quick, General. We're charging.
I remember this chick!
If my
She
ship
was
gets
the,
damaged, it'll cost you.
the chick from the farming planet! Hells yeah! We got Wookiees! What? This shit is off the chain, bro. Oh yeah. You were gonna do what with that gun? Nothing. Oh, look at this guy! Look at this guy! This guy's got armor! Damn! I love the fact that the Wookiees come regardless of the fact that it's Chewbacca, but because it's a Wookiee in trouble. And they just came. I love it. I love the fact that over the past, like, during these two episodes, they've gotten progressively more dirty in their faces and over their bodies. I know it's a small, minute detail, but for me it makes a difference because it really shows that they've, like, put in effort and it's about the details. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm being ridiculous. I don't know. But yeah, hi, oh! That's my goal. Ooh! Aha! Sorry, what happened to your cover? That's funny. Ooh, look at that mark. Come on, Ahsoka! Woo! Nice, nice, nice.
You're beaten.
You murdered my son.
Oh! Oh! Woo! Yeah! I mean, oh no, he's dead, but yeah! Oh, the music! The music as well! Yeah! I'm so hyped!
It's good to see you safe.
The look of
Ahsoka.
pride on Anakin's face. And just happiness. Oh my word.
I should have tried harder.
You already
Anakin!
did
This is
everything you
the
could.
only bad thing about
Everything
Anakin is he
you had
beats
to do.
himself up a lot.
When I was out there, alone,
And
and
she
because
survived.
of you, I did survive. And not only that, I was able to lead others to survive as well.
I don't know what to say.
You're the best teacher.
Thank you, Master.
You're welcome, my Padawan.
And we've got Chewie right there! Oh man, I'm so stoked. What's Yoda? Let me know in the comments, what is Yoda thinking right there? What do you think he's thinking? Oh, such a powerful arc! And it was only 2 episodes, wow! Oh! Alright guys, that was the end of Season 3. We have officially finished Season 3 of the Clone Wars. Season 3, Episode 22, Wookiee Hunt. And let me tell you, that was an episode that is definitely going straight into my top 5 favorite episodes. I loved that. Getting Chewbacca there, like, what, bro? I was shocked. Ah, dude, Chewbacca was in there. Then Ahsoka leading them, literally leading them to victory because of Anakin's teachings. And it just goes to show how powerful and amazing Anakin's teachings are. You know? And I love this whole episode. I can't say enough good things. I loved it. Wookiees. I love that we got to see other Wookiees as well. And let me tell you, Wookiees are strong. Like, damn! Woo! I loved seeing the just someone bigger messing up the Trandoshans. You know, the Trandoshans were always playing with. They were always hunting people who couldn't really fight back, i.e., younglings or children, really, or smaller people that didn't have the strength to fight against them. And then a Wookiee shows up, and let me tell you something, he showed them what's what, and he beat the shit out of them. I love that. Just when you see him rise up, and then he's like, yeah, I'm bigger than you. I'm gonna fuck you up now. Oh! It was just awesome. I loved that. I loved it. Great job from Chewbacca. Great story arc. I love the development of Ahsoka over this, and how she has become wiser for it. I think because of this arc, Ahsoka is going to be more hesitant to just rush into things, you know? She's going to be more wise in terms of picking and choosing her battles. And she's also going to be less arrogant in many ways. I think she's going to be more humble, and she's definitely going to be wiser on the battlefield because of this. Love the whole thing. I can't wait to see season 4. I love you guys. Thank you all so much for all of your love and appreciation, your comments, your likes, your views. I appreciate you guys being here. I really do. It means the world to me. Thank you for all of you who have been here. All of you. Shout out to all of you. I appreciate you. It has been an amazing journey. Next week, we start season 4. I love you all so much. Thank you for everything. I'll see you all in the next video.